We are about to unbox the CFX3 55. This is number 4, Kenny. There was a 25, there was a 35, there was a 45, and now this is the 55. The CFX3's robust design and eco-frame construction is built tough for outdoor use. Enjoy efficient cooling and freezing with convenience thanks to the mobile app. It also says it has removable ice trays. It has a user-friendly interface, flexible power consumption options. It has a generous storage capacity of 53 liters. It can fit up to 83 cans. It is a 3-stage dynamic battery protection system which allows you to prevent dead batteries of your vehicle. It has an easy-to-read, high-resolution color display, soft-touch buttons enabling seamless control and monitoring of the cooler's performance, heavy-duty yet lightweight eco-frame construction with fender frame to protect the edges and an aluminum alloy handles. CFX3 app allows temperature control via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and provides performance history. Powerful VMSO3 compressor, it deep freezes to -7 degrees Fahrenheit. We've successfully taken the CFX3 55 out of the box. The very first one that they have from the bottom that opens this way. We don't know if that's horizontal, lateral, forwards or backwards, or side to side. I'm not sure what this is called. If you know what this is called, front to back, put it in the description. We all want to know. Anyways, this is how it opens. Let's go over the dimensions, Kenny. You always want the dimensions, don't you? 25. With the handles, we're at 27. 18, Kenny. 19, Kenny. You've got your DC input here, your AC input. Super strong handle made with robust design. We've got, oh, Kenny, see, this is what I didn't see. We've got the one compartment here, okay? We've got the second compartment right here, but this is, here's the thing, Kenny. You're probably gonna have to bring the camera in here for this one, Kenny. I'm sorry to do it to you, but this is the first one that's actually got an ice tray in here. It's got a little Dometic ice tray. Look at this. These are, you can make these little cute little ices on the road, Kenny. Now, here's the cool things. These are made by Dometic, right? Okay, right here, they're perfectly fit for an ice tray in your rig. You have the flap, 2 ice trays. Close the flap down. When you're not using it, Kenny, look at that. This whole tray covers up your ice, and then you have another one of these quick, easy access trays right here that covers up this. Now you can use the separator or not a separator. We have 25, 35, 45, this is 55. This is the first unit that has the front opening door, easy access. It has 2 trays inside, a small one and a large one. It also has the very first ice maker inside of the portable freezer that we've seen yet in the Dometic lineup. As you go smaller or larger, look, everything in van life or overlanding life, everything that does something for you simultaneously does something against you. I want you to write that down and remember it, okay? You may get something bigger that can carry more ice cream, but then you're gonna lose some space inside of your vehicle. So you have to pick the right one for you. There's pros and cons to this stuff. Okay, if you're looking for exact measurements, dimensions, if you're looking for consumption numbers, any of that stuff can be found at nomadiccooling.com. If we don't have the information up on the website, it's 100% Emma's fault. Write that down and let her know. Second of all, if it's not up there and you need something, just give us a call and we'll find it out for you. This is number 5 of our series of unboxing the Dometic CFX3s, the new iteration of their mobile refrigeration systems. And guys, just remember, if you want to go further in comfort with ice cold refreshing beverages, ice cold broccoli, ice cold cheese, eggs, ham, sausage, pickles, bratwurst, anything else that you may cool in your overlanding rig, just remember to always get it from Nomadic Cooling. And I'll be watching. Good.